Today I'll be doing a door handle repair on a 2009 Ford Flex. The piece that broke was this piece. Little plastic thing that goes right here broke off. Here's the new piece with the plastic thing still that's made the way it's supposed to be made. And what happened was this piece, the actual handle goes in like this, and you pull, and this little piece right here locks it in like so. So when you pull the handle, this little plastic piece keep it locked in and keep this from falling off. But it broke. There's the piece still in there from here, and I'm gonna have to remove that. But to do all this, I will have to take the door panel off to get on the inside, because to release the door, to open the door, got to put my finger in there and pull to open it up. So to remove the door panel, it will take, let's see, will take about I think it's about 5 or 6 Phillips head screws. 1, 2, 3, yeah, about 5. There's one behind here. Gotta remove this little plastic piece. And this reflector on the door, it has to come off, and there's a Phillips head screw behind it also. So, but once the door handle is off, I'll be able to reconnect the handle. Also, this little piece right here, has got to come out, and it's stuck in. This is a little, let's see, let me get some light. Yeah, that little rubber piece that's on the door, I'm gonna have to peel it off, and there's a Torx screw, a Torx head screw behind it. It's gonna have to come off so that little plastic piece can come out. So I'm gonna put the camera down so I can get to work and unscrew some of this stuff, and I'll get right back with you. Now this is, I just pulled the reflector off of this area right here, and there's the Phillips screw that's behind it. So I'm gonna continue to take everything apart. I forgot to mention the 10mm bolt behind the door handle. But besides that, it's ready to come off. Just have to pry it away from the door. Okay, the installation is done. This is how it looks. Works perfectly. It's a Ford part. Cost about $22. That's the Ford part number. So you don't have to take it to a mechanic. Let them charge you a unrealistic large price to do this little piece. Easy to do. as I said before, this little piece, let me get my light again, it's dark. This little rubber piece, you just take a screwdriver, peel it out, and that's the bolt that holds this in, that piece, and it'll come right out. It holds this piece on. So, and you got a bolt, 10mm bolt behind the door handle. Pull. The door pull. You got a 10mm bolt behind the latch. It's a little plastic piece right here. And around the door you got a couple of Phillips head screws. Like I said before, it's one behind that reflector. Just take you a little something sharp, screwdriver, whatever. Just kind of easy peel it out. And Phillips head screw underneath the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5. And this whole door panel will be able to raise up. You don't even have to take it all the way off. You just have to take it away from the door so you can get your hand in here underneath. And your hand, once you get your hand in, you'll be able to feel the little latch and connect it to the pull handle. And once you do that, this just slides in, and this little screw right there secures it. Job done. Thanks for watching.